Hello, my name's Adam. I'm the owner of Vintique Motors, and today I'm with this 2009 Mercedes-Benz SL63 AMG that I'm going to be offering on Bring a Trailer. Looks gorgeous in silver. It's an 81,000 mile car. I'm going to do a little video here, show the power top operating, power trunk operating, and then we'll do a walk around the vehicle to show its overall condition. So we'll get started with the power top and power trunk. As you can see, both of those functions function really well as they're supposed to. So we'll go and do a full conditional walk around of the car right now. Move over to the front here. Paint overall is in excellent condition. No chips, rock scratches, no crazy road rash or anything like that. A couple minor things you'd expect to find on an 80,000 mile car, but overall, great condition. Do a close up here of all the body lines. And there are a handful of minor imperfections that I'm going to show, but I just wanted to show the overall great condition of the paint doing this walk around. Nice gloss on it. And then I'll showcase a couple of the things I don't like about the car. The headlights, just a tad bit of yellowing to them. The car did spend some time in Florida, so with the sun exposure, turned them a tadly yellow. There's some road rash on the lips here, curb rash. These are newer tires. The fronts are date coded 2019, rears are date coded 2020. Most of the cosmetic items are relegated to the lips of the wheels, which can be fixed, but we're selling the vehicle as is with all known faults showcased here in this video and in the photos. Go on to the other side. I sell most of my vehicles outside of the state of Michigan. I'm located in Livonia, which is about a half an hour west of Detroit. And about 90% of my annual sales go out of the state. So It's, you know, a lot of photos, a lot of videos I take of every piece of inventory, just so that when this rolls off a truck, or if you fly in here and want to drive it home and you've paid for it and signed all your paperwork, you know exactly what you're getting. No surprises. Really, the only other items I didn't like, there's a little bit of fading there on this plastic piece. You know, this is plastic, this is metal, so they age a little different. Same on the other side. And this is stuff that, you know, you're noticing as I'm getting, you know, within inches of the surface. You know, when you got the car out cruising around, never gonna notice it. But I'm showcasing it here. And also on this panel right here, there's a little bit of sun fade from being in Florida. But again, you really don't notice it unless you're doing an inspection, sort of like this video. The last piece, there's this little leftover glue residue. What had happened, there was somebody, previous owner or somebody, had one of these pieces like this right here. Very odd, very goofy. And they tried to remove it in the past. That's what's left over. We did our very best to try and remove it, but we didn't want to potentially damage the surface of the paint. So we left it, leaving it as is. And that's generally it for the exterior. Pretty good shape. We'll move to the interior. Door panels are all in good shape. All the electronics are working. I've tested every single one of these buttons. We got some extra storage compartments in here. Great color combo, this silver over this titanium, I'm gonna call it. I don't know the exact color that Mercedes called this from the factory, but I'll find that out and it'll be in the description. The seats are in great shape. You know, you would guess this is an 81,000 mile car. Just well kept. Steering wheel has hardly any wear. Again, not indicative of the mileage, which is a testament to its care. Zoom in on our odometer there. So I'll start it up right now for us. There's no funny lights. No problems at all. 80,781 miles as of this video. That'll go slightly up because I'm going to do a driving video. Oh, everything's working, radio's working. Change a channel. They all work. We'll go to the navigation system. Full screen, show that you can zoom out. It's a little antiquated. It's a 2009 model, but you know, you still have all GPS capabilities. It also has Bluetooth, so you can make your phone calls through the speaker system. And full climate control, passenger and driver. Here's all your command controls, suspension. You have your launch control over here. Convertible top button. You know, pretty basic as far as Mercedes goes. You know, it's I've had other Mercedes models that just have millions and millions of buttons, and you know, I prefer when they're a little more simple like this. Also has the glass roof. There's some extra storage behind the seats here. You know, in the interior, the only item I found that I didn't like is right there. There's a little crack in the cigarette outlet area. Doesn't appear to ever have any cigarettes in there. There's another little crack right there. And another right there. So, but that's it in the interior. Otherwise, very, very nice. Go ahead and pop the hood here. And there's that big 6.3 liter V8, tuned by AMG, built by one person. Try to read their name here. Andreas Schindegard. Probably butchered that. Sorry, Andreas, if you see this video. You know, everything as you would expect under the hood here. No modifications. In fabulous shape. So what I'm going to do is fire it up. I'll do a walk around. Show you the engine with the hood open. Turn the lights on. Show you everything works there. Flick our light switch on. It's got the HID headlights with halogen fog lights. Looks like we have a tail light out right there. I will get that fixed. Don't want to run this car too long. So there you go, 09 SL63 AMG, just under 81,000 miles, beautiful color combo. You know, it's just one of those cars that once you drive, if you've never driven one of these, and you first time you get into one of these cars, you're just blown away by the power and the luxury of it. It also has massaging seats, you know, so you can cruise around in comfort, power top, power trunk. You just are in the lap of luxury with one of these cars, and then you put your foot in the pedal, and you can get to where you're going pretty darn quick. So we're gonna run this on Bring a Trailer. Pretty aggressive reserve. You know, I take cars there to sell. I got a little over 140 sales on Bring a Trailer since 2015. So, you know, bid to own the car because we intend to sell it. Good luck to everybody. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to us, 734-956-0041, or go to my website, VintiqueMotors.biz. That's VINTIQUE Motors.biz. And I'll give you my URL right there in the video so you have it. So you can go there, check us out, check out all our inventory. Good luck bidding, everybody.